Welcome home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm starting out the day with a little self-care, right? With Jade. Let's see. She is sniffing at everything. This is her first time on the leash out anywhere. She's used to being just, free country dog. And she is excited to be out walking. And I'm just going to take you along with me today. It's going to be like, a daily vlog type of thing. We'll see what I do in a day. I am, graduate student, furniture painter. I live in the country, so we're getting ready to put the garden in. And yesterday I made some bread for dinner. I'm going to try a new recipe for dinner, so we'll see how that goes as well. Alright, you want to walk with this for a little bit? It's the wetlands where we're walking. Quiet. Beautiful. Not one other person out here, it doesn't look like. Good place to leash train. She's just excited. She's a Labrador Retriever. She's doing very well. Hi, Jadey. Alright, we enjoy our walk. This is one of my favorite places on the trail. It's all raised, you can see, raised from the ground, so we can walk in the wetlands. Go forward, Jadey. And just, take in some nice scenery. Listen to the birds. Get our walk in. Get our sunshine. So this is how I'm going to try to spend a lot of my mornings right now. Taking a walk. Clearing the head. Moving the body. Alright, so we made it back home. And I'm going to feed Rowdy some horse food right now. I'm looking in the bucket. This is what I gotta fill it up again. It almost looks like a smiley face in there. That's funny. So we're gonna feed Rowdy now. Let's see him over there. He heard me get the feed out. Let's see how fast we can get him to run. Hi, pretty. Pretend like we're going this way. He's like, what you doing? What you doing? Hi, baby. Yeah? Let's go. It's time. It's time. Oh, you didn't run around it today. Do you want this? He's like, yeah, dump it in. I said, all right. Lunchtime. It's so muddy out here. Happy horsey. Okay, I am back home and considering lunch. I might do easy lunch. Tuna and crackers. That sounds really weird, right? So it's real basic. I'll show you. Alright, so in this bowl I just have a can of tuna that I drained. And usually I'll have cottage cheese with it, but we're about out, so. And I just will take some ranch dressing. I'll take ranch dressing, put it on here, and mix it together. Break up this piece of cheese here into little squares. And get some crackers and scoop it up on the crackers. And then I think I'm going to have some oranges with it. That'll be lunch. And this is how I usually eat lunch, on a chair with the tray, so I can watch some television. I don't have a coffee table. I'm looking for just the right one and haven't found it yet. So, alright, I'll show you how I assemble this. Give me a second, let me open the crackers. I'll just sit here for a minute. Look at the distressed wood on this tray. I think it's just a Hobby Lobby tray. I got it. Good for like, you know, 15 adventures, right? Okay, so I take a cracker. And it's hard to do one-handed. Put a piece of cheese on the cracker. And then put a scoop of tuna on top of that. Lunch. And then oranges, some water. I have a captive audience. Moo. Can we say moo? Moo. Anybody? Can anybody talk to me today? Is anybody feeling it? Anybody feeling saying moo? You? You? Would you like to say moo? Would you? I think they're tiring of my company now. Maybe. Alright, this is a piece of furniture I'm working on at the moment. I'm making the trim pieces for it. With the mold and use Bondo to make. Okay, it's weird, right? A lot of people use clay, and people use resin, and even hot glue. But I'm using Bondo because that's what I've got. And there's not, you know, you're not going to get a lot out of a jewelry armoire anyway. I still have to glue this piece back on. It came off. And then make the trim for the, this part. Excuse all the other furniture pieces around me. It's move out time at IU, which is close to us, so we're getting free furniture and too much of it, so I'm going to have to pare back. This isn't, I don't even know what I can do with this. It's busted. I don't know. But the drawers are going to be like this, all the way up. And the sides right now are like this. And the other one's similar. And I'm even making the back, you know, gotta give her a sexy back, right? It's far from finished, but I think it'll look beautiful when it's done. Going for a dark academia vibe, right? The legs are not done. They have to come off and just be sanded. Here's this side over here. So I just sit here on the porch during the day, and I have dogs outside, and Rowdy right over there, right over there. I don't know if you can see him. He's eating something. Oh, hey. And then back here is a beautiful backyard. And I just sit here and watch birds. I have a bird feeder over here somewhere. I have a finch feeder on the tree right there, and then I have a bigger bird feeder. That thing you see hanging there is supposed to be a bird feeder, but the bottom keeps falling off of it. But I just sit here and paint. With this is my view one direction, and Rowdy my other direction, and the furniture in front of me. So it's nice, right?